So this says mic on. What does this do? Does this camera on? Oh, okay. I'm in a little bubble down here in the corner. Okay. I don't think you really need to see me though. New apps, new functions. So I have a 5-minute limit. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so people have contacted me about having issues with logging in via the website. If you just type in PALFISH, this is what you get. And this website does not offer a teacher login. I've already let admin know that this is an issue. One thing is, because I have logged in on the PC before, my computer had remembered an old link from previous logins, and it gave me this teacher reserve link, so I can log in here. I've already checked. I can log in just fine. I don't have any classes to check there, but I can see my messages and everything when I do log in. So I will take this link and I will copy it to this video. Another thing I need to remind everyone of is your password and your phone number. Please keep them up to date. Please make sure you know your password. In the Beijing office, there is now very limited staff. And as such, it means it's a lot harder to get in contact with someone if you have lost your password or lost your phone and can't get logged in. One of the ways is you log in with a verification code. But if you've lost your phone, you can't get that verification code because you don't have that phone number anymore. So it means that the internal needs to check your verification code, and this is time sensitive. If you can't get logged in, you have to go through a mentor. So you can contact Donna or CC or myself, and we can try to help you. But again, it can be difficult with the limited staff in office. When we get a hold of admin, they could either log into Facebook and contact you through, as long as you've established a message with them on the Facebook page, or they may just go directly through us, like what happened yesterday with another teacher. So you will have to select your code and then type in your phone number and hit get. This works on the phone as well. And then it will send you a verification code via your text message. If you no longer have that phone number because you lost your phone, you won't get that text message. But admin will still get that number in the system. So I can say, hey, admin, they have sent the verification code thing, because we're all online at the same time. We all got to be online at the same time for this. And admin will say, okay, and they grab the code, and either they give it to you on Facebook or they give it to me to give to you. That's what happened yesterday. They gave it to me to give to the person because I have an easier time getting through to Facebook and such. So then you would type the SMS code here. Okay? Yes, Lisa, I'm working on sending it right now. I have to make it a video because Facebook doesn't allow you to post PALFISH links. Yeah. So make sure you keep your password and phone number up to date. This is really easy to do in app. Thank you, Loud Truck. Okay, it's really, really easy to do an app as long as you're logged in. You can change and update your phone number and password at any time. But if you're not logged in, you have a difficult time. So please remember to keep things up to date when it comes to this type of stuff. Your login stuff is your responsibility. And if you miss classes due to a lost phone or whatever and you can't get logged, you cannot appeal those. You can't appeal an absence due to that kind of thing. So yeah, make sure you're keeping everything up to date. So again, I'm going to post this link in the description of this video so that you can all get logged in as necessary and just follow the normal steps to log in. Okay?